we will look at creating new materials in the material database in whatt.io. And of course, it's very important that you internally have your own database and your own system to store vital data about your materials if you're supposed to add materials to the whatt.io database. At Lostboyslab, we have our own MPS system, and we will just make an example here. And obviously, we have a lot more information in our database than might be available and can be transferred into whatt.io. In our system, we actually frame mark with a blue line, which is the data which actually are transferred further into whatt.io. So let's keep this one open in the material production system. So let's go over to whatt.io, and actually creating a new material is very simple. From the material menu, you click on the button Add New Material. The brand, in our case, it's easy because it's our own material. It is an RPLA, which is a matte NCS color, and that will be it. The material code is of course something I have in my own database. So in this case, here is the material code, and I can simply copy paste this code. I can also add the NCS code here if I like, and the resin code identifier is number 7 for this one. The chemical name is for our PLA, recycled polyactide. And also here we can upload the data sheets. So the data sheets need to be added, and I will actually go to our material database, and I will have them here. Here is the safety data sheet and the technical one. So first I upload the technical data sheet, then I upload the safety data sheet, and then I have to explain how this 3D filament in this case was made. So yes, it's recycled, it's bio-derived, it's actually from cornstarch, it's post-industrial in this case, and actually this comes from Benelux. The origin type was recycled from food packaging, and yes, we can recycle it again. We can also here add shredded mechanically, can be done if you want to do that. It's biodegradable, but yes, it's in 60 years, so you need proper waste plans. We can also add, if there is some other information, we have actually information in our shop for this material about the recycling. We can also add specific images here, and I can make this public for all whatt.io users. That is only for super admins and not for your own team. So now I actually have a new material. Here it is. No, it was not. It's sorting it, so I can now sort for RPLA, and I will find it here. So Lostboyslab RPLA Matte NCS from Benelux is done. And of course, if we would like to, we can view the data sheets, and now it will download it again from the server and show it for us. So with this, you are actually ready to start working on your products and your parts, if that part is manufactured in this matte RPLA. But so before you really start in building products and go to the product menu and start to programming the NFC tags to your products, look into the database and actually build up the material first, because it will be needed and necessary in this whatt.io system. So that was all I wanted to show. Thank you very much.